Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hulu, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.hulu.com. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Once the Hulu homepage loads, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you'll see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your Hulu account in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the box that says Remember Me. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. If your email and password are correct, you will be logged into your Hulu account. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email you registered with. If you are using a mobile device, open the Hulu app instead. Tap on the Login option on the welcome screen. Enter your email and password in the respective fields. Tap the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, explore Hulu's extensive library of content. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies on Hulu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.